From October 1st to October 25th, we've generated 28 bathroom renovation leads at a cost per conversion of $257, which are phone calls and form submissions. And we've spent $7,215 in ad spend so far, which generated $145,000 in revenue so far, and our client is obviously working the rest of the leads. And in this video, I'm going to go over the importance of having a dedicated high converting landing page for your Google Ads campaigns, our calendar page, which allows prospects to book themselves into our client's calendar for a 10-15 minute consultation, and also just going to go over the leads that we've generated so far. This is the anatomy of a high converting landing page, which is obviously you're going to have a headline that's relevant to what people searched on Google. So if somebody searches on Google bathroom renovation, you want to show them an ad for bathroom renovation. And then when they click on it, you want to take them to a landing page that talks about bathroom renovation and nothing else. Then we got some bullet points here. So whatever your propositions are: free consultation, completed in 5 to 7 days, on time, on budget, fully licensed, detailed estimates. Then we got the reviews, which is important. And then any accolades and accreditations, you can put them right in here. And then we give them an option to either fill out the form or just call the business directly. And we have a bonus offer here. So free tile floor upgrade with every full bathroom renovation. Offer ends October 31st. Now this part at the end here dynamically changes, so it's always 5 days in advance just to create some urgency. So today is the October 26th. This is going to say 31st, so it's always 5 days in advance, and it automatically dynamically changes. You don't want to send traffic to your website because your website is not built for conversion, so it's important that you have a high converting landing page. Right below here we have a video, and it's important that you have some sort of a video because you want to, this is going to create trust with people. So if you have a video of yourself just introducing yourself or how you do things differently, how many years you've been in business and all that, it's going to increase conversions. And then you got your reviews at the bottom. Below that we got the project photos. We got the what sets you apart section, and again we have this bar here again. And then the last part is our bathroom process. So step 1, book your design, client wish list, estimate and budget, plan the layout, let the expert build, project complete. This so people can expect, what your process looks like. And that's about it. Again, we repeat this bar one more time here. Now, when people fill out the form here, say if they fill out the form, they hit submit, we're going to redirect them to the thank you page. And this is where we're going to basically capture all their information, and then we're going to send these leads information immediately to our end client so they can call the leads and book that in-home estimate. But on the landing page, we're going to give the clients an option, in case they come in after hours, where they can book themselves into our client's calendar. More videos of our client just going over the importance of communications when you're hiring a contractor, importance of having trust, So these videos are important. Again, it's going to build more trust, and it's going to position you better when you go in for the actual estimate because they've already seen your face, know you, like you, trust you more with the videos. Again, we got more reviews, kind of the same layout. Now, these are lead reporting sheet where we give our client access. So whenever the lead come through, we ask our client to update us on the lead status. So as you can see, we got here job completed. We have ghosted, not interested, follow-up needed, job complete, fake email. So you're going to get that with Google Ads regardless of how you run the ads. This could be your competitors or just people clicking. And there is very little we could do to mitigate this. So we're always going to have leads that are going to be trash regardless. But they've already closed $145,000 and they've only spent $7,200. So we're not worried about the bad leads. They're gonna be there regardless. So we got job completed, $22,000, 24.8K, job accepted. So they've closed 6 jobs, and in total we had 11 serious leads, and obviously the rest of the leads, they're going to work through them. Now if you're looking to run Google Ads, you're looking to get more leads, book more jobs, and ultimately grow your business with paid ads, I'm going to leave a link down in the description of this video. You can book a call with me or somebody on the team. We'll go over a quick 10-15 minute phone call, see where you're at, where you're trying to go, and see if this makes sense for your business. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.